to COS 101, Introduction to Computing Sciences. Understand the evolution of computing systems and technology.
Computing has evolved from simple tools to powerful computers. Studying this history helps us understand technology's advancement.
Computing has evolved over time, starting from simple tools and progressing to the powerful computers we use today.
Before electronic computers, humans used simple tools to perform calculations. Fingers and tally marks were the earliest methods.
The abacus provided a more efficient way to count and calculate. Later, mechanical devices like
Pascal's calculator and Charles Babbage's analytical engine laid the foundation for modern computing. The computer generations?
Let's talk about generations of computers. Computers are classified into generations based on the technology used to build them.
Each generation represents improvements in speed, reliability, size, and functionality.
Studying computer generations allows us to see how hardware and software have evolved over time, and the innovations that defined each era.
Thank you for listening. In our next module, we will explore the generation of computers. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a review.